Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Kalukhali Upazila Online School and Rotondia Rajanikanto Gopt Model High School, Kalukhali Rajbari. How are you, my dear students? I am fine. Thank you. Introduction. I am Mohammad Nur Mujahid Bishwas, Assistant Teacher in Social Science, Rotondia Rajanikanto Gopt Model High School, Kalukhali Rajbari. In the train, James Thompson. As we rush in the train, the trees and the house go wheeling back, but the starry heavens above the plane come flying on our track. All the beautiful stars of the sky, the silver doves of the forest of night, over the dull earth swim on fly, companions of our flight. We will rush ever on without fear. Let the goal be far, the flight be thick, for we carry the heavens with us dear, while the earth slips from our feet. Have you ever looked through the windows of a running train? If you have, what did you see? I saw some farmers walking in the fields, cattle were grazing, some boys were playing on a dusty fields. I also saw trees, house, fields, markets, and people were running away very fast. Our today's topic is on it, and it is traveling by train to Unit 6, Lesson 5. Unit 6, Lesson 5. Everybody students, learning outcomes. After completing these lessons, the students will be able to enjoy the text through silent reading. Choose the best answer from the alternatives. Ask and answer questions. Keyword: departure, leaving, empty, vacant, incomplete, uncopied, print out, a printed record. Let's go through the text. Zishan, Julie and their parents Mr. and Mr. Arif Khan got into a first class compartment at Komlapur railway station. That means Zishan, Julie এবং তাদের পিতামাতা একটি প্রথম শ্রেণীর কামরায় কমলাপুর রেলওয়ে স্টেশনে বসলেন। It was Dewanganj bound Tista Express. এটা ছিল দেওয়ানগঞ্জগামী তিস্তা এক্সপ্রেস। দি ট্রেন লিফট অ্যাট 8 o'clock, সকাল 8টায় ট্রেনটি ত্যাগ করেন বা ছাড়ে। জিসান স দ্যাট দি ডিপার্চার Zishan saw that the departure time on the big timetable at the station was 7:30. জিসান দেখতে পেলেন বড় ঘড়ির উপরে তার সারা সময় অর্থাৎ সকাল 7:30টা। However, the train was running quite fast. ট্রেনটি দ্রুত গতিতে চলতে শুরু করলো। The children sat the window beside their parents. শিশু তার পিতামাতার পাশে জানালার সাইডে বসেছিল। The compartment was half empty. কামরাটি অর্ধ খালি ছিল। Yesterday, Julie downloaded a beautiful poem on a train journey by Robert Louis Stevenson. গতকাল জুলি একটা সুন্দর ট্রেন ভ্রমণ সম্পর্কে ডাউনলোড করেছিলেন। She took a print out of the poem. কবিতাটি সে প্রিন্ট করেছিলেন। Now while looking out of the windows, সে জানালার পাশ দিয়ে দেখছিল, she found similarities between the poem and real scenery. সে সুন্দর কবিতা পড়ার পাশাপাশি সুন্দর দৃশ্যগুলো দেখছিল বা সিনারি দেখছিল। She took out the poem and began to read. সে কবিতাটি পড়া শুরু করলো।
From a railway carriage. Faster than ferries, faster than bridges, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle, all of the sides of the hill and the plain, fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles, all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and here is the groom for stringing daisies. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever.
Dear students, look the screen board. Take the best answer. এখন তোমরা বহু নির্বাচনের কিছু প্রশ্ন জানবে। কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 1, which one of the following words has a similar meaning of get into? Option A, out, B, leave, C, obtain, D, reject. Everybody students answer me. Thank you. Answer the obtain. Question number 2. The train left at 8 o'clock. Here leave means option arrive, quite, receive, earn. Answer quite. Answer quite. Question number 3. Zishan saw that the departure time dash. What does departure mean? Option arrival, return, come back, exit. What does departures mean? exit. Departure means exit. Question number 4. Which one of the following words has a similar meaning of big? Option: small, huge, little, tribal. Answer: huge. Question number 4. Answer: huge. Question number 5. However, the train was running quite dash. What does however mean? Option: never else. B. So. C. That's why. D. Therefore. Answer: never else. Never else. Question number 6. However, the train was running quite fast. What does quite mean? What does quite mean? Option: partially, partly, totally, particularly. Answer: totally. Question number 6. Answer: totally. Question number 7. Zishan's family start their journey from option A. Sylhet railway station, B. Kollanpur railway station, C. Komlapur railway station, D. Dhaka railway station. Answer: Komlapur railway station. Question number 7. Answer: Komlapur railway station. Question number 8. They were at the station in the morning, at night, in the afternoon, in the evening. They were at the station dash. Answer: in the morning. They were at the station. Answer: in the morning. Question number 9. The train was supposed to start at dash. Option: 7:30, B. 8:30, C. 9:30, D. 10. Answer: 7:30. The train start half an hour. The train was supposed to start at 7:30. Question number 10. The train start half an hour early, late, after its arrival, before its departure. Question number 10. Answer: late. The train start half an hour late. My dear viewer, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Were all the seats in the compartment taken? Answer: no, all the seats in the compartment were not taken. Again, question number 1. Were all the seats in the compartment taken? Answer: no, all the seats in the compartment were not taken. Question number 2. Where did Zishan sit? Zishan sat by the window. Zishan sat by the window. Question number 3. Where was the train going? Answer: the train was going to Dewanganj. Where was the train going? Answer. The train was going to Devanganj. Question number 4. Did the train leave Kamlapur station late or on time? Answer. The train left Kamlapur station late. Question number 5. Where did Julie get the poem from? Answer. Julie got the poem on internet. Julie got the poem on internet. What was Julie doing from her seat? Julie was reading the poem from her seat. Julie was reading the poem from her seat. Thanks all. Talks. Thank you all of you are know today, next day and next class. See you again.